Hello everyone. So in this video we are going to talk about two tags actually. One is the keyboard input, like the way keyboard writes. Okay, that is KBD, keyboard input. And second is actually details. And in that also we have one more tag which is summary. Okay, first we will start with the keyboard. That is this one. See, we are writing paragraph. Okay, we are using paragraph tag. We are writing press, and then we are writing this control. Uh, with a keyboard input like KBD start, okay, and KBD end. Then we are writing plus as usual normal only. Then again we are writing C, that is KBD start and KBD end. And then we are writing one message to copy the text in the window like Control C we use. Okay, and we have one more tag which is nothing but what details. So we are starting this details tag, and suppose you have one main heading, for example Wikipedia. Okay, you can use any other topic also like Python programming or Java programming or anything like. So that heading you have to write in the summary part, summary, and then start whatever is your heading, and then close of summary. And this will be the paragraph about that summary like Wikipedia. So I have two lines for Wikipedia over here, and then end of this details. Okay, so what will happen, you will find obviously you will find on your output screen right now, but for this, that is details, you will find only Wikipedia, okay, as a message. And you will find the arrow also. When you will click on that arrow, after that only you will find this message. So let's check the output of this. Control S. Yeah. See, first of all, this is all about KBD, that is control and what you can say, C as a keyboard input language or keyboard input form actually. And you all can see here the second tag which was like details and summary. In that summary name was Wikipedia, and then arrow is there. So if I click on this arrow, I will get that about Wikipedia or whatever you have written in that paragraph format. See, again if I click on this, like this, okay. So this is, I think, nice feature. Okay, you can use in your website. Thank you everyone.